गठबंधन जब से बना है तो उनके दलों में आपस में क्या हो रहा है, यह सबने देखा। मगर दलों के अंदर क्या हो रहा है, यह और भी विचित्र है। बिहार में आपने देखा कि कांग्रेस पार्टी के कार्यकर्ता एक दूसरे को कैसे लात घूसा नाम कमर बंधे दिखा रहे थे, और तृणमूल कांग्रेस के सम्माननीय सांसद लोग चुनाव आयोग में जाकर एक दूसरे से उलझ गए। यह दर्शाता है कि तृणमूल कांग्रेस के अंदर उलझाव इस कदर बढ़ता जा रहा है कि अब उससे किसी प्रकार के सुलझाव की कोई अपेक्षा नहीं है।
Well, Pradeep, the BJP here seems to be suggesting that it is not the BJP which is exposed when it comes to these leaked chats and videos. This is someone from within the TMC who's doing it.
Yes, you're absolutely right. That's what actually the BJP is hinting at. BJP is trying to say that it is not the BJP that has leaked the chat. Basically, it is someone from within the party. They have leaked the chat because they are trying to expose certain member parliament. That only shows that the mess within the party, indiscipline, and also that how these member parliaments are all also not on the same page. Because one, it has exposed the cat fight. It has been a big embarrassment, not only for the Trinamool Congress, but also a big embarrassment for Mamata Banerjee, because being a woman chief minister and such a derogatory word being used by one of the senior member parliament for the other women parliamentarians. So that is something that is really going to expose the Trinamool Congress and the things that is happening within the party. So that's one of the reason that Sudhanshu Trivedi, when he was asked this question, he said that this has not happened for the first time. We have seen this thing that in the India Gathbandhan. So what really happened in Bihar, how the Congress leaders were fighting with each other, and now this thing happening inside the Election Commission office. We saw that how there was a spat, public spat between Kirti Achal as well as Kalyan Banerjee, and not only things did not end there, it continued even inside the parliament also, inside the room also, where Derek O'Brien was trying to diffuse situation. He was trying to pacify situation, asking Kalyan Banerjee to calm down, but he was hell-bent to expose the other member parliamentarians. So this is not going to speak very good about the party, because reason being that they are the member parliament. They have to set an example for the people to follow. If what kind of a precedent these member parliament are setting, because they are openly fighting with each other like cats and dogs inside the election commission office. They are asking, even going to the extent of saying police person to arrest the other person and take action against them. So it's a big embarrassment.
Pointing out that this is when it comes to the internal drift within the party that exposes when it comes to the reflection of the party leaders of their own colleagues, and this is something that has been done by a certain TMC member itself who has leaked these apparent chats and also videos, which started off when it comes to WhatsApp screenshots that were posted by the BJP IT cell chief Amit Malviya. Now, these chats were allegedly between the TMC MPs of Kalyan Banerjee and Kirti Azad. The feud that, however, didn't end outside the ECI office and the Parliament complex itself. It spilled over when it comes to the AITC MP 2024, which is the WhatsApp group. Now, where warring camps took sides and they traded barbs at each other. But in the middle of all of this, the question that still lingers, who exactly is the versatile international lady that Kalyan Banerjee seems to be referring in his WhatsApp text? What all has been released so far? Let's put that out for our viewers there and put it in context, because when it comes to these WhatsApp chats, again we reiterate, we do not as far as independently verify when it comes to the authenticity of what all has been leaked by the BJP leader. However, when it comes to the TMC chat case, how it has now turned into a scandalous one between when it comes to warring MPs of the TMC. Here is Kalyan Banerjee in those leaked WhatsApp chats, seems to be targeting and hitting out at Kirti Azad. Send your BSF to arrest me, he says. Your home ministry connection is strong. Other, when it comes to, he has been saying that international great lady, beautiful activities of the international lady, versatile international lady, no boyfriend of hers stood with her, and this is foolish man stood behind her, international lady wanted me arrested. All of these things that are now being said by Kalyan Banerjee in those leaked WhatsApp chats. However, there has been a response that is coming from the other side, that is from Kirti Azad, who has been now responding to Kalyan Banerjee in those WhatsApp chats, saying that take it easy, you've had one too many, don't act like a juvenile delinquent, and I have no axe to grind with you, stop with your childish and erratic behavior. He's also saying that you are way too senior in age but not in politics, act like an adult and do not instigate anyone. That has been the response that came in from Kirti Azad. But Kalyan Banerjee apparently just did not stop there. There are others as well when it comes to these chats that have now been released. Here he has been also taking on Kirti Azad, saying that don't advise me, Kirti, you are the one who was thrown out from the BJP. You are the captain of doing internal politics. You wanted to sell the party yesterday. You even lost election in cricket. Let me see your power to arrest me. I will go to Durgapur and open your mosque. Now, this has been one of the other when it comes to the leak of WhatsApp group chats that has been posted by BJP's Amit Malviya. Multiple of them, not just chat but videos as well that you have been watching here on the broadcast, which has now been turned into the scandalous revelations where these chats, if authentic, suggest that the TMC MPs are fighting over who tried to get whom arrested, invoking when it comes to not just the Home Ministry, they invoked the BSF and made certain allusions to a so-called international lady, her personal life and her political maneuvers as well. We must also mention that these screenshots have been posted by BJP's Amit Malviya, and Times Now hasn't independently verified these chats, neither when it comes to the videos as well, that the TMC officially has reacted on these, which has not happened as of now. Now, in these chats, Kalyan Banerjee allegedly says, and I once again quote, that today I congratulate the gentleman who opened the beautiful activities of this versatile international lady. That day, not a single boyfriend of hers stood behind her, and this foolish man whom she wanted arrested by the BSF stood behind her. Just pause and think. He is a very senior TMC MP. We are talking about Kalyan Banerjee, allegedly calling a woman, maybe a party colleague, we don't know yet, an international great lady, referring to her boyfriends not standing by her and accusing her of using central forces like the BSF to get him arrested. Listen in to how the BJP is now attacking the TMC over what they have been calling it as an internal rift within the party.
टीएमसी का मतलब बन चुका है टू मच कंफ्यूजन, टू मच केओस, और ये जो इनफाइटिंग चल रहा है टीएमसी के सांसदों के बीच में, अब तो वीडियो मीडिया ने दिखाया है, इलेक्शन कमीशन के प्रीसिंक्ट्स में ही झगड़ा, गाली गलौज, वो भी मेमोरेंडम सबमिट करते समय पुलिस पर्सनल को इंटरव्यू करने की बात हो रही थी। फिर व्हाट्सएप चैट ग्रुप में भी जो तू मैं हुई है सांसदों के बीच में, अगर ये एक दूसरे की टांग खींच रहे हैं, गालियां दे रहे हैं, तो बंगाल कैसे चला रहे हैं आप भी सोच सकते हैं। इनके लिए सत्ता और क्रेडिट प्रायोरिटी है, जनता नहीं। आज टीएमसी के नेताओं से ही पूछिए, ये वर्सिटाइल इंटरनेशनल लेडी कौन है।
तृणमूल कांग्रेस के व्हाट्सएप चैट से ये स्पष्ट हो चुका है कि तृणमूल कांग्रेस के अंदर में एक मैसिव इंटरनल रिबेलियन चल रहा है। कीर्ति आजाद हेट्स कल्याण बैनर्जी, पर साथ में ये एक इंटरनेशनल लेडी की बात कर रहे हैं। कौन है वो इंटरनेशनल लेडी? क्या वो स्मगलिंग के अंदर इन्वॉल्व है? क्या वो इलीगल पैसा टीएमसी का रूट करने के अंदर इन्वॉल्व है? इसका जवाब ममता बनर्जी को देना चाहिए। पर इस चैट से ये स्पष्ट है कि तृणमूल कांग्रेस भ्रष्टाचार का अड्डा बन चुकी है।